everyone. Mike Arman's here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, One Bob Iacchino. Nikola could not get above the rotation zone. Rotation zone favors the downside on the 4 hour, rotating up into it and rotating down. Remember, we projected these levels for 49.92, 48.81, just poking below that, closing just below that 49.92. The next bar closing just above that 48.81. Gives us the ability with this pausing bar to move down to our next levels. So on a further decrease next week, 46.89, 45.45. Remember, if we start getting down there, we have a gap fill, so the next target would be the gap fill, which we'd be watching at 43.32. Let's check in that daily chart. Daily chart, rotation zone also negative. Minor resistance coming in at about 53.25. Major resistance 55.22. I don't think I did the resistance on this. All right, 4 hour resistance. You see this little support ledge and the rotation zone. So you have the static resistance area, which is a support ledge, the dynamic one, which is the rotation zone. So we're looking at about 51.90. So on any rally, 51.90, and then based off the 4 hour, about 54.28. Daily was again 53, so you're looking at about 53, 54 combined the 4 hour and the daily. On a major rally, 55.03 is the top significant level there and the top of the rotation zone, which is finally separating. If you look, retesting that 50-day exponential moving average. So a key below, a move below Friday's low is pretty key, especially if we do close below it. That means the 50 is not held, and then after we get through about 45.45 and that gap fill, we'll start watching for a retest of the most recent lows. So what we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.